Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to log out Gmail on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Okay, if you are using a shared devices or if you are concerned about privacy, logging out can help prevent others from accessing your emails and personal information. Okay, here are the steps. Well, first thing first, open please Gmail application on your device. Okay, and then click on profile icon at the top right corner. After that, here you can select manage account on this device. Well, so please select the account you want to log out from your device. After that, click remove account here, and then click once again. By removing the account, it will be automatically logged out from your Gmail. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to log out Gmail on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.